Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. As promised, today we are going to check out some prom hairstyles. The first one features this gorgeous twisted ponytail. Now I have seen ponytails with the long braid, but I love this twisted look. I think that this is so innovative, so modern, so fun, and it would be a great look for prom. You can of course, try this look out yourself with some hair extensions for added length. And then once again, we do have some more hair extensions with the use of this snatched ponytail. This is more of a simpler look to create versus the twisted ponytail. But I think that this is a gorgeous hairstyle to wear for prom, especially if you have a dress that has a high collar, such as a halter top. This would make for a great hairstyle. Or if you had a dress that had a low back as well. I will be doing a full prom dress video, so if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, definitely give it a click, as well as the like button if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas. So she does do a slight wave on this with a curl and iron, and then this next variation is more of a straight snatch ponytail. She has a fun accessory at the top, perfect for glamming it up for prom. So if your hair is long enough, obviously you can rock your own hair with these same hairstyle ideas. You just want to make sure that the ponytail is nice and taut. But if you do want to just kind of lengthen the hair and make it appear longer and thicker, adding in hair extensions is a great way to go. So she does add a bit of makeup towards the hairline just to kind of thicken it up a little bit, help it to appear thicker. And next up we have a half up, half down hairstyle. These hairstyles, of course, you can wear every day if you wanted to. If you wanted to go somewhere and really just glam it up. But for the most part, I think that these hairstyles are best reserved for any type of formal event or special occasion. So for this next one, she's doing another half up, half down style, and it does feature gorgeous curls, waves, and she just slightly pins the hair upward to create that half up look. And of course, with any of these hairstyles, you can add in hair accessories if you want to take the look even further, glam it up even further. Cascading waves look so beautiful. So here's how you can actually achieve that look at home. She curls the hair first and then combs out the curls and turns them into beautiful cascading waves. So for the half up part, she ends up teasing the hair first to create more volume and then pins it inward. So you want to make sure that you use hairspray in order to set the style once you are done with creating it. And she did add a beautiful accessory as well. So the last look is going to be of this gorgeous Euphoria style braid. This is absolutely stunning. Love the gems and crystals that she added throughout. Such a glam hairstyle, perfect for prom. So we actually do have one more look, and this is going to be of a braided crown hairstyle. So she braided the hair on the side, made it appear to look like a crown, and added beautiful cascading curls. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these braided hairstyle ideas and just prom looks in general. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, and I will of course see you in the next one.